Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. So for today's recipe, I'm doing a delicious and creamy chocolate almond milk smoothie. So let's get into the recipe.
Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
So first up, I'm going to make a quick batch of almond milk, but if you already have some almond milk or any other plant-based milk that you like, if you already have that on hand, then add about 2 cups of that into a blender. But what I'm doing now is I've got some blanched almonds that I have soaked and I've removed the skins and rinsed them off. So I put a cup of those into here and I've got about 3 cups of filtered water. So I'm just going to give this a very quick blend up. So because these almonds had the skin removed, you don't actually need to strain this like you would if you were making traditional almond milk where the almonds still have the skin on, and it's just really quick, easy, and there's no waste when you do it like this. So you can see it's frothed up so much. It's super creamy already, but I do have a little bit too much in here. So what I like to do is if I am making some almond milk, I just get a bottle. This is actually a soda stream bottle, and I get a funnel and I just pour that into there, and then I can just store it in the fridge for the next 3 or 4 days and it's good to go. So that is what I'm going to be using as the base for this smoothie. So I'm just going to add in about 2 cups of this almond milk. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla as well. And I've also got 1 frozen banana going in. That makes it extra creamy by freezing the banana. Yum. But if you don't have frozen banana, you could even just have normal banana out of your fridge and then add some ice cubes, and that will make it cold and creamy as well. Next up, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, or you can add raw cacao powder. And then finally, I'm adding some dried figs that I've soaked in water overnight to rehydrate them. Or you could add pear in here as well. That adds a really interesting flavour. Or if you have dates, by all means add some dates. But definitely by soaking them, it just makes them more plump and brings out the sweetness even with the dates. So just keep that in mind. If you have the time, soak them overnight and then use them up. So they're going in as well. I've got 3 of these delicious figs. Yum. I'm going to add that little bit of liquid as well because it's going to add extra flavour and sweetness. And then I'm going to give this a blend up. And remember, if you want the written recipe for this, it's on my website at CookingWithPlants.com, and I'll leave a link for that below. Okay, I'm very excited for this. Smells delicious. So this is about 2 serves in here, and I'm going to pour myself a 1 serve into this little glass jar. It just taste test, delicious. Oh wow, it's so smooth and creamy, and by making your own nut milk, it just adds so much more flavor. And with the figs in here, it's so sweet and delicious and just adds a different layer of flavor to using traditional things that are used a lot in plant-based smoothies and in plant-based milks, such as using the dates, etc. By using the figs, it just really varies it up. And like I said, if you add pear into here as well, it's delicious. So I hope you enjoy this really simple almond chocolate smoothie because I really, really love it, and I'm going to have this for my breakfast today. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and please join me for my next recipe as well. Come on over to my website at CookingWithPlants.com. There are loads of recipes there as well, and as always, please come and join the Facebook community. The Cooking with Plants Facebook group is so much fun. We share so many recipes, tips, ideas, and it's a great community to ask questions and share your tips and tricks as well. I'd love to see you there. So enjoy, have a great day, and I'll see you for the next recipe. Bye for now. I love that.